Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngethemba uthaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke nje nangabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze ukulungele-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke. Ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje esuke sifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ungaphuthi izindaba ongenza njengamanje-ke ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethile lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke MK-ke laphana-ke isiphinde yagila-ke i-EFF-ke laphana-ke ithatha-ke amanye-ke amalunga ayo-ke laphana-ke khona-ke i-statement-ke esiphumile-ke laphana-ke esivela-ke kwi-MK-ke laphana-ke esichaza-ke yonke-ke into-ke kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke phela into nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke ukuthi-ke kuthiwani-ke. Mina-ke ngicela kulapha-ke masuzile-ke le video leyo ngene-comment section-ke ushiye uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu kubhala ama-comment section-ke usuyangixhasa-ke ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke lifike khona uzokwazi uthole nezinye iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Okay, I promise this is the last video today. So there's a letter that MK is going to be welcoming EFF members. Let me attach this letter quickly. So this letter says that MKLD Labour Desk will be holding a media briefing to welcome the members of the EFF Labour Desk venue Wara Wara in Durban to advance the common mandate and to ensure that everyone has got the right to fair labor practices as it is stipulated. So on top, Itubana EFF Labour Desk has officially joined Mkhonto Wesizwe Labour Desk. When I saw this on Twitter, this letter, I saw a lot of people angry under this post. But I'm not sure if these people of the EFF are joining MK, as in they're joining MK party. Okanye, are they joining MK, meaning that they're going to work together? Meaning that these people from the EFF are still from the EFF, but they are joining MK so that they can work together. Okanye, they are leaving the EFF to join the MK. Before ndibe angry and ndibe emotional, I think let me wait for the briefing so that we can understand are these people leaving permanently the EFF, joining MK, okanye they're gonna work together. Bayaba introduce nje kwi-media so that kuzosetyenziswana. Because if those people are leaving the EFF and they are joining MK, and these ones have got the audacity to do a media briefing, and then they want to tell us that we are one family, hey. That's going to piss me off. That is going to piss me off. But I think before we get emotional and before be angry, let's wait. I promise I'm going to bring you feedback. Because Sana, but anyway, just in case I'm wrong, I don't want to get emotional and only to find out when I'm wrong. They are not leaving the EFF party. They're going to work with MK even though they are in the EFF. So I don't know, but again, which is still impossible. Hey, and as let me wait. Anyway, guys, please do me a favor, guys. I'm begging you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are always here watching my content. I beg you, can you please help me get to 6,000 subscribers on YouTube? I'm gonna show you how you can quickly go subscribe to my YouTube channel from my profile. Let me show you quickly. So this is my profile. When you are on my profile, there's a YouTube link here. I hope you can see it. You click on the YouTube link and the link will automatically take you to my YouTube channel. When you get there, you subscribe. Please do subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm begging you. This is the name, Zizipolo Pelwane Simple Politics. And once you've subscribed, please come and comment in the comment section so that I can thank you. Mwah! The struggle continues, guys.